Today's topic is position summation in the list of the tuples. We are going to solve this problem by the two methods, that is first to use the list comprehension and the second using the zip and the sum method. So let's start from the first method, that is using the list comprehension. First, what we are going to do is we are going to initialize our list, and after that in the list comprehension we are going to pass the two parameters parallelly, which is to the sum method and the another sum method. The first sum method is just going to collect the sum of the elements of the zeroth index in our list, while the another sum method is going to sum the elements of the first index in our list, and then we are storing those values in the out variable and then printing it out. As you can see it over here, the first zeroth index elements are 10, 30 and the 50. Summing that up, we get the 90. Similarly, we get 120 out of 20, 40 and to the 60 of the first index in our list.